I am not a raincoat here to keep you warm. Then go back in the closet after the storm.
Fiona.
Dream alone. No, I don't wanna dream alone. No one ever told me that dreams could be so lonely. And now that I know, I don't wanna dream alone. Will you dream a dream with me? Will you dream a dream with me? It's so much better to dream a dream together. So darling, oh would you please dream a dream with me? dreams all fade away. With my dreams all fade away. As long as you are with me, there's nothing else that I need. And I know I'll be okay if my dreams all fade away. But if my dreams come true, or if all my dreams come true.
Get to settle down a bit. We're camping here at McGill Campground at Los Padres National Forest. I am now using our Snow Peak IGT table. We're planning to grill oyster and squid.
No matter how far.
Falling out of love, following you, telling you I know I can't help but you are more than I just pray.
Huh?
Struggling to keep up when
This is live. Me trying to avoid all the stress from work. What are you trying to avoid?
Huh?
What are you trying to avoid?
Work.
Work too? Yeah. I think work is the primary stressor. What's up? May number ata siyang pinost.
when I'm away. No matter how far, no matter the way, no matter the pain and heartache, I promise all of those
I'm just making jelly for the Buko Pandan.
Dapat niya dalawa na.
no matter the way.
So I guess what I'm trying to say.
Although there's miles to cross that stretch between us, you're all I dream of. But there's nothing too great that can't separate you from my love.
We need to keep on changing places because it's summer. And instead of staying inside the Annex Plus, we just decided to stay outside because it's like we're being cooked inside.
No matter how long.
Oh yeah, I think it's burnt. Oh no! This is the result of my Pandesal. Here. I think it's a short trail. Lead the way, peasants.
I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and trees start to bolt. And I don't wanna be sitting alone in a room that's just filled with my soul. And so I came to this place. I'm looking for a familiar face, and that's when I saw you. 'Cause you don't know me and I don't know you, but it breaks my heart. You're looking so blue on the last of the hill. I just picked your name on the coffee cup, but this